Guys, I welcome you once again. Today, I want to show us how we can design a completion of certificate for graphic design. Alright, first of all, let's determine the image size. Okay, that's the image size that we're going to use. Now, the next thing to do now is to bring out our first material. Then expand it like this. Make sure you keep it at the center. Let's reduce it a little bit. Okay, keep it at the center. Cool. Now the next thing to do is to lock it. Bring our background. This is the background that I will use. I will drop all this for you guys. Okay, take it to back. Then reduce the opacity. Just keep it at something like this. Let's change the main background. This background, let's make it white. Cool. Like this. Then keep this. Let the opacity be at 70, or you can leave it at 60 something. Still okay. Let's leave it at 60. Cool. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to bring out the next material, which is this. Sorry guys. Okay, then lock it. Haven't done that, let's match this together. Cool. Unlock it so that it will not distract us. Sorry. Lock it. Now let's bring our test certificate of, then give it a color. Okay, now let's give it a font. I want to use this. You can use any fonts that you want. Let's do something here. No, let me not overdo. Cool. Then the next thing that we're going to do is to tap completion. Completion, certificate of completion. Now let's give it a font. Okay. Um, okay, that's the font that I want to use. Then let's change the color to red. Cool. You can increase the size a little bit like this. Are we following? Let's shape this up a little bit. Having done that, let's bring out the next test, which is this. This is to clarify that. Stamp it like this. Then let's give it a font. That is the font that I want to use. Cool. Having done that, the next thing to do now is to bring out the shape. Let's lock this. Then change the color to black. Something like this. Should be okay. Cool. Now let's bring out the name of the person, which is somewhere. Sorry, let's duplicate this. I don't want to pick a font again. Somewhere, John. Cool. Let's reduce the size a little bit. Good. Having done that, the next thing to do now is to bring out our next test, which is I have already copied. I'll just place it. Just tap has complete a 3-week course in graphic design 2022 at Jerry Graphic Design. Let's reduce the size. Then put it in center alignment, something like this. Should be okay. Good. Now let's give it a font, a simple font. A simple font. Let's go with this. Cool. Good. Now the next thing that we are going to do is let's duplicate this shape. Duplicate the shape and reduce the size. Let's reduce the size like this. Then bring it to the last edge. Something like this. Cool. Having done that, let's bring out our next material before our next test, which is this is the next one. As you can see, this one come with background. Just erase it. Cool. Then reduce the size. Don't worry, I'll drop something like this for you guys so that you can use it. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do now is I want to bring letter J, capitalize it. Put it here like this, at the middle of this. Good. Now let's give it a font. Uh, okay, let's give it a color. Let's use gradients. Cool. Having done that, let's bring out the date. Let us say, let's bring out the current date. Current date. Cool. Position it here like this. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to give it a font. Let's give it the same font that we give to the name of the cerebral, which is this. Then duplicate this. Just tap date. Take it to the last edge. Put it under this shape. Something like this. Cool. Now let's duplicate this shape again. Bring it down. Let's reduce the size. Cool. Okay. Now the next thing that we're going to do now is to type the name of the mentor, which is Jerry Graphic Instructor. Give it a center enlightenment. Cool. Let's give it a form. Okay. Now reduce the size to something like this. I will follow it. Sorry. Good. All right. Now, having done that, on this note, you can put your signature or the signature of, if you are the instructor, then you put your own signature. So that is it. Now, what I do to get that red shape frame around this certificate that you saw on the WhatsApp group is I use shape. Now let's bring out a shape. Let's do something. Turn it to red. Give it a red color. Do something like this. Don't let it show that too much. Then duplicate it. Take it to the next site. Cool. Now do the same thing. Now duplicate it again. Then rotate it. Sorry. Let's rotate it. Okay. Are we following? Then bring it down. Do something like this. Then duplicate it again. Now take this one to up. Take it to up. Cool. So this is how I do achieve it. Now what I do again, I match this together. Then I give it a stroke. I give it a stroke. I give it a black stroke. Black stroke. Then I make it 3. So that is it. This is how I actually made it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give the video a like. God bless you as you do.